Hey guys, Sunny here. I just wanted to make a quick update on my trade today. Initially this morning I didn't even feel like trading, but then the reason being that natural gas had fallen further and coal was like higher price than yesterday. So I was just gonna leave it as it is, hoping that today the trade. I was thinking that the trade today will be like slow, market will be slow, and I was hoping that I'll buy some, when it comes back up. Meaning natural gas goes up and then cold goes down. But right around 9 a.m. 9 a.m. or so, it started going up, and then it reached the highs of 2.61. So I bought some here at 47. I did multiple buys at multiple price points, so I'll show them to you. Yeah, so I bought at I was buying at like 47, 70, 47, bought and sold at 47, 40, 47, 70. But the lowest I bought was at 46, 46, 46, this one here. And then, yeah, from here, which was at around this point, uh, yeah, I was at around this point here. So, I then I didn't know that it was gonna go all the way down like this. So I sold some around this point, because there was like this green SMA line. I sold some at the middle VWAP, and about this point I sold everything. I still didn't know that it was gonna fall this much. There were like signs here, MACD was going sideways and making higher highs, so I was pretty sure that it will turn back around. But for whatever reason, it just kept going down. So, but yeah, not a bad day for trading. I trade quite a bit, and I enjoyed it. And you know, I made a little over $1,000, 1,086 to be exact, about 2% of my account size. So really can't complain about that. Um, Yesterday I said that the natural gas prices were in the oversold area in the 20-day 1 hour chart. And 180-day 4 hour chart was still showing downtrend, but 20-day 1 hour chart being in the oversold area, I I did mention that it was gonna come back up at least a bit, before it falls further. So as of now we are looking at that. It did come up and then fell back again. um, the market is gonna open again on Sunday evening, so I don't know what's gonna happen uh, Sunday evening and then Monday morning. So I just thought just best to sell off everything. And initially I was planning to carry some stocks, at least couple hundred over the weekend into Monday morning. But then I just decided against, because whatever I predicted yesterday already happened. So so after that I'm not quite sure what's going to happen. 180-day 4 hours shows a downtrend, but then again on the other hand, it's also showing very close to oversold condition. So it's possible that Sunday evening when the markets open, natural gas prices will go up because it's already in the oversold area, and then on Monday morning it may come down. So I'm just gonna wait how it plays out, and I'll buy some coal stocks on Monday. So looking at 120-day 1 hour chart, it already corrected. As I said yesterday, there were signs that it might come up some, and right now it's not. It's towards the oversold area, but not quite there yet. So what I'm thinking is like Sunday evening, it might drop some, continue to drop some, and go in the oversold area, and by Monday morning it might come back up. So that's when I plan to buy gold. So so that's the plan for now. Let's see how it plays out. It doesn't have to exactly play out like that, but that's what most likely is. And yeah, not a bad day. $1,086. I wiped losses from my trades from last week, and then added, on top of that, made some profit. So week by week, I'm happy. Today is the last day of trading for this week, and I was able to make $1,000 today. It's like a pleasant surprise. Initially, I wasn't even thinking that the market was going to be this active, but between the hours of like 8 a.m. and about 1:45, it was like very active, and all of a sudden, like after 1:45, there was no trade. The market was scheduled to close at 1 p.m. With 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. after hours trading, but everything stopped abruptly at 1:45. Yeah, I don't know why. Um, and then after hours, there wasn't much opportunity. The bid and ask price were basically stuck at the same point. Didn't move much, so I just didn't trade anything after hours. But yeah, like surprising, there was like a lot of volume today. Actually, it was I would say it was more than usual. Like for if you see NGG 21, the volume is like 64,851, which is quite a bit. I think it was more than yesterday. So I have a feeling that like all these people who bought natural gas, they were just dumping them today. All right, guys. So have a good weekend. Have safe and good holidays. I will catch up with you again on Monday. All right, take care and bye for now.